What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make a amazing Philly cheese steak. Guys and gals, I'm trying to let you know this is straight pressure right here, and I can't wait for you to try it on your own. So let's get right on into the recipe. Let's get started. So we are going to begin with some bell peppers, and as you can see on the screen, I'm working with some baby bell peppers. And go ahead and slice them up just like so. Once you have that taken care of, you're going to then move on to your onion. I'm going to chop up one large onion as well before we move on to that steak. So here we have it, a beautiful ribeye steak. And what I'm gonna do here is just cut thin slices into the steak right here. And you wanna continue this until you have your entire steak sliced up, okay? So I have my pan to about a medium heat, and I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil in that pan as well. And we are gonna drop in our onions and bell pepper. And we are also gonna season them up with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And you wanna let them cook down for a good, I'll say 7 to 8 minutes or so. So once you have your bell pepper and your onions cooked down to your liking, you want to go ahead and remove them from the heat. I'm going to drop a little bit of oil back in that pan, and we are going to drop in that beautiful ribeye steak, okay? And we are going to season this up with a little bit of salt, pepper, as well as onion powder. I'm basically eyeballing it here. I would say probably about half a teaspoon of each of those ingredients. Just sprinkle it right on top. And I'm gonna look to cook our steak to about a medium. Shouldn't take too long. Again, my heat is about at a medium right now. And shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. You could kind of get an eye for it until when your steak is about to the temperature of your liking, you know what I'm saying? You don't want a well done steak here. We want our steak to be, medium to a medium well, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and cook it down. And wow, this steak is so good right here. I'm trying to let you know. Your eyes ain't deceiving you, baby. So here we have a hoagie roll, and I'm gonna bust that bad boy open and lay it down in my air fryer tray because I want to melt this cheese down. And we are using provolone cheese. You can either do this in your air fryer or you can pop this in the oven on broil until your cheese is melted. Here, right out of my air fryer, is our melted up roll with our cheese, looking oh so delicious. I'm gonna pile on some of that amazing steak right there, just like so. Once we have our steak on top of that thing, we cannot forget the onions and the bell pepper, you hear me? Gotta get that on there as well, you feel me? Get that on there. Pile it up, pile it up, pile it up. And I'm gonna hold this bad boy up and wow, wow, and wow. Does this look amazing or what? Come on now, stop playing with me. Nothing but flavor. Come on now, pressure, 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 pressure. Can't wait for you guys to try this. You have to. It's amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and bust that right down the middle for you guys. Easy, delicious Philly cheese steak. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed making it, enjoyed eating it. It was delicious. If you haven't already and you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video. If you ain't got nothing to say at all, drop a fire emoji for your boy. Leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.